friends, welcome to my channel, and today I will begin to show you how to make this circular shrug. If you have a pet, you can make one for your pet, and if not, you can just follow along and we will make one for yourself. So this pattern is one pattern for two. For pet, if you have one, and for yourself. I'm using this white category 3 yarn by Yarn Bee. It's 100% solid cotton. And the crochet hook is Boy. It's a steel hook, 3.75 millimeter. I hope you can see the number. And I am using the flower and leaves pattern for this circular shrug. And for those of you that had looked on that video tutorial, you might already been familiar with how to do the flower stitches, the leaves and flower. So you can study that video tutorial, or if you want, just follow along on this video and I will show you how to make these flower motifs. So to begin, we leave a short yarn tail about 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches, because we will be hiding this tail as we make the first round of this project. So make a slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch on the 5th chain from hook. Then pick up the tail of yarn like that and coil around the ring like that, so that you are coiling it parallel to the ring so that you can crochet over this yarn tail as you make your first round. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this counts as a double crochet, and then double crochet over the ring. Chain 1 and double crochet over the ring. Repeat this twice. So that's 1 double crochet over the ring. This is the second. And we will repeat this until there are a total of 8 set of 2 double crochets, chain 1. So chain 1, keep coiling the yarn tail parallel to the ring, double crochet over the ring, 2 of them. So 1, 2, chain 1, repeat, 2 double crochets over the ring, chain 1, 2 double crochet over the ring, and tighten or compress the stitches close together. So how many we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sets of double crochets. So chain 1, 2 double crochets, this is the 6th, chain 1, 2 double crochets, this is the 7th, chain 1, 2 double crochets over the ring, and let's count to make sure that there are 8 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So chain 1 to end the round and slip stitch on the second chain of beginning, chain 3. So your first round is made. Now for the second round, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this counts as a double crochet and double crochet on the next double crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on each of the next double crochet. There's 2 of them. Then repeat chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on each of next 2 double crochets. That's 1, that's 2. So keep repeating the same all the way around. Chain 3, double crochet on the next double crochet. Note that we are skipping the chain 1 space or stitch. Chain 3, double crochet on each of the next 2 double crochet, and keep repeating the same set of stitches all around. So at the end we make the last chain 3 and a slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning, chain 3. Third round, we start with chain 3 that counts as a double crochet. So we'll mark it as the beginning stitch, so it's actually a double crochet. So double crochet on the next double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is the end of the repeating stitch, set of stitches, and so we will repeat from double crochet on each of next 2 double crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space, then chain 3, and repeat. So keep repeating the set of repeating stitches all around. All right, baby. Yeah. Vita needs my attention, poor baby. She's jealous of my crochet. She wants me to pay attention to her instead of my crochet work. So that's the way it looks. And I'll meet you at the end of this round. We are doing the last chain 3 of the round. So 1, 2, 3. Then slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning, chain 3. So that's how the work looks right now. And I will see you on my next video, and thank you all for watching. So I'll see you soon. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.